Metal shaving stuck in my underwear. When we first bagged the truck, switched it over, we had to relocate the charcoal canister, which is right there now, and it's in the way of a bed bolt that we need to pull out, pull this bed off. So this was originally one of those things that was like, okay, this thing isn't ever coming off because I'm going to run a step without a head. Yeah. And it was probably like 11 midnight when we were ready to get out the shop. Yeah. So, quick backstory on this truck. This was youngster's first truck, bought in high school, 2003 GMC Sonoma, the 2.2 in it. Wound up getting in the club your sophomore year? Oh, no, it was the junior year. Huh? Yeah, it was right after sophomore year. Yeah. So he got in the club, we static dropped it. We rode around that for a while, and then me and a bunch of the originals from the club decided to throw in what we had on the shelf and some money in and buy everything to bag his truck for him for his senior year for his graduation present. So we got everything together, and Christmas break, his senior year, I took 2 weeks vacation from work. We went to a buddy's house and thrashed on this thing. We were supposed to be doing a 3-link, Thorbeck 3-link. We were going to build one, a replica of the Thorbeck 3-link, because we had one sitting there for an S10, but that was for another project. So, with the time constraints, we said, we got this 2-link laying here, let's 2-link it. Well, I don't do 2-links. I do 3-links and 4-links. I've never done a 2-link. I know how they work. Not going to really get into the whole 2-link, 3-link, 4-link argument. But anyway, we decided 2-link it because we had everything there. We did get it 2-linked. It did go down the road. Some things needed to be adjusted. We built the truck for it to skate. Stupid hard. Yeah, so I mean, all the way up in the back, it got no lift in the back. I think I measured one time. It was like max, like 5.5 inches of lift. Out of the back. The only problem we had out of the truck is we didn't clearance the bag pocket enough, and when it laid out, it barely rubbed the bag, and I think it went months, before it was like 8 months. Yeah, before it blew the bag. So we fixed that, put it back together, and never had a problem out of the truck. The old valves that we used on it got sticky, so somebody else gave them another set of like chassis tech valves. We put those in there. Truck ran and drove fine. Drug the hell out of it. Had fun with it. We some stuff. It was originally a fleet side. We put a step side bed on it. Did the Cadillac tail lights. It was a fun project. It was a good way to put his feet to the fire on mini trucking. So now here we are 2 years down the road? Yeah. Since it's been built? Yeah. Because I wasn't in quite, or no, it's been just over a year. No, 2 years, yeah. Almost 2 years. Yeah. So we're going to, we actually now have a Thorbeck 5-link that we're going to build it on in the rear. We're going to switch back over to a fleet side bed. I think we're going to do like 61 Impala tail lights. We got an old school Checkmate flush mount bed cover for it. Actually going to lay it on 20s now. I think we have some new body style Camaro 5-bar rims that we're going to put on it for now. Going to do away with the Viair compressors. Go to a sand-in engine-driven compressor with Viair backups. Pull out the electric valves. Go with some OG, original Little Larry's 4-play. Gonna actually redo some stuff inside the interior, get it all cleaned up, get it ready for paint, things like that. So that's what this build's about. So stay tuned and enjoy the chaos at, what is it? Carport Customs. Yeah, Carport Customs.
Yo, another day, Carport Customs.
Yeah, another wonderful day at Carport Customs. Get this bed off this SloNoma.
Alright, so yeah, now we got to get all this front end tore off. It was in a slight wreck. You can see it's kind of got like a lazy eye over here. We got a new core support we got to put in on it. This truck never was cut out. None of it was cut out because we ran the baby 15s on it with the low pros. So we got to cut everything out because we're going on 20s. Rip out the AC, heater box, all that kind of stuff. Where we'll do that. That'll be full video of how to cut it out, all that good kind of stuff. We've got to get the 20s. Next weekend we're gonna go to one of our other club members in Texas. We call him Hippie. He's gonna get the Camaro SS wheels from him. So here we are, we made it to Texas.
The only way to do
Mmm.
What does it taste like?
It went straight from the throat.
Most stuff. He takes it like a bitch.